Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to connect App Store with Apple ID. So we're going to open our App Store. So here at the top right corner, when we tap on it, it's going to show you if you have Apple ID connected or not. So for this account, you can see that an ID is connected already, but if yours isn't, all you need to do is to simply click on Done and go to your settings. So when we tap on settings, at the top, you're going to tap on your Apple ID. Now, when you tap on your Apple ID, you're going to go over to Media and Purchases. So if your ID is not yet connected to App Store, this is the best way to do it. So you're just simply going to tap on it. And then instead of having sign out, password, settings, view account, you're going to have the option to add your account. All you need to do is to follow with the procedure of adding your account, putting your username and password. And then when that is done, you're going to see your Apple ID underneath Media and Purchases. And then when you go back to your App Store, you're going to see that your Apple ID is connected to your App Store. So this is how to connect your App Store with your Apple ID.